My Bad here, coming in today with a Knotfest Roadshow video. Knotfest Roadshow is going to be happening in Little Rock, March 25th, which is today, over there at the Simmons Bank Arena. So, let me get you an update on my EDC. Today, got the rock and roll ring out.
Kira.
Rock on. Got the SC silicone wedding band. I got the escapement time on the wrist, and I'm carrying the PM3 lightweight and M4 blaze steel with that salty red corn love. Got the custom kicks on. Oh, my bad right there. Got the custom knock around sunglasses on in channel colors of teal and orange. So I'm looking good today, feeling pretty fly. Gonna be rocking on. Look at that beautiful, beautiful Arkansas Muddy River. We're in downtown Little Rock at the River Market. Gonna get our party on. Y'all stay tuned. I'll be doing a live tonight. This video won't be coming out until tomorrow or another day, but I am doing a couple of lives tonight. Y'all have a good one. Bye-bye.